As someone who hasn't checked a bag in more than 5 years of travel across the US and abroad, I've thought a lot about what makes a good piece of carry-on luggage. A summertime European vacation calls for a sturdy wheeled suitcase, whereas backpacks will suit more rugged trips. Either way, the best carry-ons should be both capacious and easy to keep organized, with handy pockets and compartments. I prefer a carry-on that looks good too, as I often take it out and about with me on the last day of my trip. When it comes to shopping for luggage, especially online, it's tough to know where to look and whether a suitcase will fit everything that you need inside. We have listed the best carry-on luggage 2024, and there are key features you need to consider this to help you choose the best one for you. For more information on the product, as always, I've included a link in the description box down below, which are updated with the best prices on each product.
Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.
Be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. Now let's get started. Number 5. Samsonite Freeform. Carry-on spinner at Samsonite is one of the more recognizable luggage brands out there. Hang out at any airport in the world, and you'll eventually spot someone traveling with one of their bags. That prevalence brings reasonable expectations for build quality, design, and ergonomics. In other words, we expect a hassle-free experience traveling with this Samsonite Freeform carry-on spinner. Apart from the stylistic choices Samsonite made on the outside, this rolling carry-on luggage has a relatively simple design. There are minimal built-in pockets. Instead, it's up to the user to supplement with organizers like tech pouches and packing cubes. The amount of space is generous, though almost to a fault since, despite the name, carry-on compliance is hit or miss more on this as we dive into the review. The main material used for the hard shell is polypropylene. If that sounds familiar, that's because it's one of the most common forms of plastics, similar to ABS and polycarbonate. You'll find a lot of arguments as to which of these are the most durable. One of the key things most will point to is how much flex there is on the material. In the Freeform carry-on spinner's case, the polypropylene hard shell does noticeably give when you press on it, but not to a worrying degree. And that flex helps the suitcase close when overstuffed. Plus, the material handles scrapes and scratches pretty well. For more context, this bag has survived gate check on Delta with little to no scratches to show for it. Number 4. Tumi Dual Access. 4-wheeled. Among frequent travelers, Tumi is considered the creme de la creme of luggage. Although the brand's price points place it squarely in the luxury category, it has a reputation for being high quality, durable, and stylish. It has a solid celebrity following too. Everyone from Shaq to Kaya Gerber has been seen toting Tumi bags through security. At Travel Plus Leisure, we've personally tried our share of Tumi luggage and deemed it splurge-worthy on many occasions. But to truly determine the best of the best, we tested 15 different Tumi bags in our lab and evaluated their capacity, durability, value, and design. Our testing is ongoing for 6 months to see how they hold up in real-world conditions too. After loading them up, toting or rolling them through our carefully constructed obstacle course, and giving them our best shot with a baseball bat, these are the bags. The International Dual Access 4-wheeled carry-on bag earned the top spot in our Tumi rankings because it is compact in size but packed with useful features. Factors we take into account when choosing the best tested products of the year. Although the bag is on the smaller side for a carry-on suitcase, it expands an additional 2 inches if needed. Plus, its smaller size makes it easier to maneuver through tight airplane aisles and into overhead bins. What really won us over, though, were the carry-on's removable suitor and dual access section. The removable garment bag can hold a suit or a full-length dress, perfect for a trip to a wedding or formal event. And the dual access feature makes it easy to grab a light jacket or small purse while on the go without having to open up your entire bag. Number 3. Away. The carry-on flex. A quick glance at our Away luggage review and our guides to the best luggage and best carry-on bags will show you that we're big fans of Away luggage. Every suitcase we've tested from the brand has proved durable, attractive, and well-designed. That said, if we had to choose our very favorite product from Away, it would hands down be the polycarbonate Flex. Away's line of expandable, hard-sided luggage. My go-to suitcase is currently the bigger carry-on Flex, and our former travel editor Emily Hochberg previously tested and loved the medium Flex. Both of us are habitual overpackers, and love that these suitcases feel roomy and flexible while still meeting luggage dimension requirements for most airlines. Here's what you should know about the Flex line and how ours have held up during multiple cross-country trips, countless hotel stays, and even moving homes. The Flex offers the durability of Away's original hard shell combined with a built-in exterior zipper that provides an additional 2.25 for carry-on sizes and 1.75 for checked baggage. That's pretty cool. But it's important to note that when fully expanded, the carry-on will be too large to fit overhead bins according to almost all airline baggage guidelines. You may be able to get away with carrying it on, as I have on several flights, but there's a strong possibility you'll have to check it. These Flex suitcases have all of the same smart features you've come to expect from Away, like a TSA-approved combination lock, 360 spinner wheels, an interior compression system, an underside grab handle, a hidden laundry bag, an eraser for tackling any scuffs, and a removable, washable lining. Number 2. July. Carry-on trunk. To check or simply carry on? That is the question I have asked myself before every short overseas trip I've done since 2018. For most of those trips, I ended up checking my luggage, even though it took forever, because my old STM carry-on suitcase simply didn't hold enough, and my backpack just didn't have the structure to hold a suit. With the return of business travel this year, I spent months weighing up the pros and cons of various carry-on suitcases. Eventually, I decided on the carry-on trunk, a suitcase with a built-in charging pack from Australian brand July before a recent 4-day trip to the UK. After a trip that involved 2 hotels, including so many stairs, and 4 flights, I'm mostly very impressed with just a few caveats. The main tech feature of the carry-on trunk is the built-in removable battery pack. It has 2 USB-A and 1 USB-C port and lives in the space between where the telescope supports for the handle go up and down. Converting that usually dead space into one of the most useful features of the bag was a genius move. And the 10,000 mAh battery has enough juice to keep your phone going for a whole trip to the other side of the world. It's also positioned so nicely that it's quite comfortable to charge your phone with it still in the bag while you're in the airport, or easy to take out and bring down to your seat on the plane. There is a little lid on the section where it lives to make sure no errant crumbs fall in the ports in transit. There is no dedicated laptop storage space in the bag, but you can put a laptop or tablet in the container attached to the Y-strap internally, but it's not properly padded or designed for that purpose. Number 1. Travelpro Hardside Spinner. Travelpro has long been the preferred luggage brand for airline crew and travelers. The company was founded by a commercial airline pilot, which has only added to its credibility and appeal. One of the best-selling carry-on bags from Travelpro is the Platinum Elite Carry-On Hardside Spinner. The expendable carry-on is fashionable and practical, combining an attractive exterior with smooth maneuvering and long-lasting construction. Its durable casing is made entirely of 100% polycarbonate, and its textured surface helps to hide scratches and scuffs. Here's why the Platinum Elite Carry-On Hardside Spinner could be a smart option for your next carry-on luggage. The Travelpro Platinum Elite Carry-On Hardside Spinner stands out as a durable and stylish choice, praised for its smooth maneuverability, durable polycarbonate shell, ample storage space, and convenient tech features like USB ports, making it a trusted option for frequent travelers despite minor concerns about bulkiness and weight. With a design that is both long-lasting and aesthetically pleasing, the Platinum Elite Carry-On Hardside Spinner is a bag that is made of high-quality materials and trusted by airline crews and passengers all over the world. Here are some of the most noteworthy features of this carry-on bag. Travelpro excels in one aspect that sets them apart from their carry-on bag competitors: the wheels on their luggage. The brand utilizes its own patented Precision Glide System 8 MagnaTrack technology to create spinner wheels that effortlessly glide across various terrains.